For this video, I'll be printing out a permanent crown using Rodin sculpture resin and a Shining3D printer. In the Accuware software, I am going to select the small size platform as I am printing out a crown. This means you'll be using the mini resin tank as well. I am selecting the resin I am using. The parameters are already saved, so that is saving me time. I am going to upload the file in Open File by clicking on the folder icon on the left. Then upload the designed crown STL file. Flip the crown, then go to Support. Generate the support and go to the Slice stage. Before printing, make sure the resin is poured into the mini resin tank. Then select the type of resin in the resin tank. Then print. The printing is going to take roughly 30 minutes according to the software. Once completed, take the build plate and scrape it off. Take the support off the crown using your hands. Do not submerge the crown into an isopropyl alcohol bath. It'll leave a white, powdery layer even before curing. You can follow the protocols for whichever permanent crown resin you use. I'll use a paper towel and wet it with isopropyl alcohol, then wipe off the remaining resin. You can also use the toothbrush that comes with the printer to remove the resins. I'm going to use an air gun to do a final dry. Make sure there is no remaining alcohol or resin. I'll set the time to 10 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius. Once the curing is finished, you can trim, glaze, or polish to your preference. Thanks for watching.